In this video, I'm going to share about EU Blue Card eligibility, salary range, when is Arbeitsamt or Federal Employment Agency approval required or not required, processing times, validity, family unification, switching the jobs while on Blue Card, advantages of Blue Card, and what happens if someone loses the job while on Blue Card status. Hi guys, this is Sandeep Khera and you are watching Conical Education. Before we proceed further, let me remind you to subscribe below and enable the bell notifications to not miss any updates on this channel. You can also follow me on my social media pages. Links for all of them are given in the description below. Let's dive into today's video. First of all, let us understand what is EU Blue Card. It is a special kind of visa designed for non-EU citizens who want to work and live in Germany. It is a resident come work permit for non-EU citizens. It has certain differences when it is compared with normal work permit or resident permit. You will understand all the differences when you watch this video till the end. Now let us look what is the eligibility to apply for EU Blue Card and what is the minimum required salary to apply for the Blue Card. There are 4 requirements which have to be met when you want to apply for EU Blue Card. Doesn't matter you are located in Germany or you are located outside Germany. You must be a non-EU citizen. And secondly, you must hold a university degree. It doesn't matter whether it's a German degree or it's a non-German degree. In case this is a non-German degree, then you have to make sure that your degree is comparable to similar degree in Germany and your university is recognized in Germany. To check both these things, you can visit the NABIN database. I will share the link of the NABIN website in the description below so that you can check whether your degree is comparable in Germany or not and your university is recognized in Germany or not. This is really important to be eligible to apply for Blue Card in Germany. The third factor is minimum required salary. You must have a job offer with you, at least a salary of 43,056 euros. This is a minimum required salary. Normally people get way higher salary than this amount. So it's not a problem for most of the professionals. Let me mention that this is the minimum required salary for 2020. Every year government has to revise this salary amount, minimum salary amount based on the expenses, wages and other stuff and inflation. So based on those factors, this amount will keep on changing every year. The fourth factor for you to be eligible for Blue Card is your educational background. Either you are from the MINT background, which is mathematics, information technology, natural science and technology. If you are from these backgrounds, so you are directly eligible to apply for Blue Card. Or if you are a general physician, then also you can be eligible to apply for the Blue Card. And in the last, if you do not hold any bachelor degree, this is also fine. You must have at least 2 years of vocational education in your home country to be eligible to apply for the Blue Card in Germany. Many people ask, when do we need the Arbeitsamt approval to apply for the Blue Card, or when is it not required? Normally there are 3 possibilities when approval required or it's not required. Let me explain all these 3 possibilities to you. First case is that you have been offered minimum salary of 43,056 euros but less than 55,200 euros and you carry a foreign university degree. In that case, you must have the approval from Federal Employment Agency to apply for the Blue Card, because Employment Agency wants to make sure that you carry the required skills and qualifications which are matching with the job requirement. The second case is that you have been offered salary higher than minimum required salary and less than 55,200 and you hold a German university degree. You passed out from a German university. In that case, you do not need any kind of approval from Arbeitsamt. You can directly apply for Blue Card at KVR, Ausländerbehörde, Gemeinde, Rathaus, depending on which of them is located in your area. And third case is that you have been offered salary higher than 55,200 in 2020. Then it doesn't matter whether you carry a German degree or you carry a non-German degree. You will be directly eligible to apply for Blue Card without approval from Arbeitsamt, without approval from Employment Agency. So catch here is that if you have studied in Germany, then definitely you must ask for the salary higher than 43,056 euros. In case you haven't studied in Germany, then you have to make sure that employer is offering you the salary higher than 55,200 euros. In that case also, approval will not be required and it will be very easy to come here. The process will be very fast for you to arrive to Germany. In case you are located in a non-EU country, then you must take the appointment in your home country in the German embassy and apply for German national visa. And once you come to Germany, you register your address first and afterwards with the job offer, you can apply for EU Blue Card in Germany. Or in the other case, let us assume you are located already in EU and holding the blue card in other EU blue card issuing country. Then if you hold the blue card for almost 18 months, you can directly fly to Germany with the job offer and apply for blue card in Ausländerbehörde or KVR. Now let us talk about processing times. The first case is that you do not need approval from Federal Employment Agency. In that case, you can get the visa within a period of 1 to 4 weeks depending on the processes there in your local region. In case approval is required, then embassy in your region might take up to 12 weeks including the approval from Arbeitsamt in Germany. Now let us talk about what is the validity period of blue card. If you have an unlimited job offer which doesn't have any time limit, it's a permanent job offer, then KVR can issue you blue card for up to maximum of 4 years. In case your job offer is time limited, let's say 3 years or 4 years, then you will be issued the blue card for up to 3 years or 2 years depending on validity of the job offer. In some cases, if your passport is also going to expire in 3 years or 2 years, then it doesn't matter if you hold the unlimited job offer or not, then blue card will not be issued past the time when your passport is expiring. Next important point is, are you allowed to switch the job while on blue card status? First of all, you must understand that you have been given the work permission to work with that employer when you are issued with the blue card. So name of the employer will be written out on your work permission. But that's not a problem. You can switch the employer whenever you want to. The only required condition is that during the first 2 years of your blue card status, you have to report your change, that you are switching the employer, that you are changing the job. You have to report this change to the KVR, to the Ausländerbehörde, so that they can revise the name of the employer on your work permission. That is the only requirement, only for first 2 years. There is another point that you must note is that you are also allowed to look for the job in other EU countries which are issuing the blue card. In that case, you are allowed to switch your blue card to the blue card of the other EU country to which you are moving to. So which is really a good news. If you want to move to some other country after coming to Germany, you can go to other EU country. Only required condition is that that country must also issue blue card in their region. Next point is family reunification. You can bring your spouse and kids who are under 18 years of age. When you are filing for a German national visa for yourself, if you already have a job offer in your home country, then you can also file for visa for your spouse and kids along with you. The great thing is that requirement for your dependents to have a German language knowledge up to A1 level gets waived off if you will be applying for the blue card at the end. Now let us talk about the advantages of blue card. You can apply for PR or settlement permit in Germany after 33 months, or in case you learn German up till B1 level, then you become eligible to apply for a blue card within first 21 months after moving to Germany, which is really good news for you. Another advantage is that after working 18 months in Germany, you become eligible to work in other EU country. And another advantage is for your spouse. Your spouse has full right to study and unlimited access to the labor market, so your spouse can work on anything, whatever he or she wants to do, and conduct all the economic activities according to his or her profession. Now let us discuss what happens if you lose your job due to any reason, you got fired by your employer, or your work contract has been expired. The good news is that you will not be asked to leave the country immediately. In that case, you must report about this change to the KVR, to the Ausländerbehörde immediately, and they will allow you stay in the country for up to 3 months to search for the job. And in some exceptional cases, you are able to bear your expenses, you want to learn German language, or you want to do something else. So if you have enough funds in your bank account, you can survive, you can take care of yourself, you don't need any kind of support from the government, then in such exceptional cases, they allow you to stay here even more than 3 months, in certain cases 6 months or 8 months. So it all depends on you, how you present your application to the Ausländerbehörde. That is all I have in today's video. Give a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Have a good day.